question related to the same topic. Today we will see how to determine the angular velocity and calculate the arc length in radian measure. Remember, in order to calculate the arc length, you either use the formula theta over 360 into 2 pi r, or arc length is equal to the r theta. Normally, to calculate the arc length, we normally keep the theta in the radian measure, and similarly for the arc length also we keep the theta or the angle in the radian measure. Where S is the arc length, R is the radius, and theta is the central angle in radians, and this is our formula for the arc length. Make sure that the theta in radian measures. Now the question is, find the arc length. It means S equals to r theta and the given measure r. Here 10 centimeter, it means the r is given as the 10 centimeter and the theta already in the radian because I can see a pi. So 3 over 4 pi. So it will be 2 and here 5, 5 3 is 15. So 15 by 2 pi rad will be our answer. Round off to the nearest tenth. It means use your calculator. Use your calculator to write the answer. So if we press the SD, we will get 23.56. which means 23.6. Now next question, our theta is 5 pi by 3 and our r is 54 miles. So formula is S equals to r theta. So in place of r we will write 54 and in place of theta we will write 5 over 3 pi. Write it in the calculator. 54 times 5 over 3 and the pi, you will get 90 pi, but if 90 pi miles, but if you write here SD, so you will get 282.74, it means 7. Next questions, give the angular velocity in radians per second. Remember that in 1 minute, we have 60 seconds. In 1 hour, we have 3600 seconds. So this calculation everyone should know. So a gear running at 80 revolutions per minute. 80 revolutions in 1 minute means 80 revolutions in 1 minute. So in 1 minute, how many seconds are there? 60 seconds. Why I am converting the minute into seconds? Because my answer should be in the seconds. And times 2 pi. Because I have to write the revolutions in the radians. Okay, so just write it down. In the calculator, you will get 8 into 2 divided by 6. So you will get 8 over 3 pi radians. 8 over 3 pi radian, or you can get 2.6666. So pi, don't forget that to write the radian per second. Better keep it as it is. A gear turning at 5 revolutions per hour. So 5 revolutions. 5 revolutions per hour. In 1 hour, I have 3600 seconds. And in 1 revolution means 2 pi multiplied by the 2 pi equals to whatever the answer you will get. Write it as radian per minute, per second. So 2 divided by 3600, you will get 1 over 360 pi and then radians per second. Next question, Jupiter has a radius of 71,500 kilometers. So this is our radius. What is the angular velocity? It means I have to find out the S, and the formula of S is S equals to R theta in radians per hour. Okay, of a point on Jupiter's equator, how far the Jupiter's axis does the point travel in 1 hour? So let's try to find out this one. So find the angular velocity. So S equals to R theta. So S equals to, what is R? R I know, 71,500 kilometers, multiply by one rotation in how many hours? They said one revolution in 9.9 hours. One revolution in the radians means 2 pi radian per hour. How many hours are there? 9.9 hours. Write it in the calculator. You will get the answer in radians per hour. So write it down in the calculator. So 71500 into 2 pi divided by 9.9, and we will get as 445,378.56. Means if I round off, it will be my 6 radians per hour. Now find the distance. So this is how we can find the distance. So the distance is 45,378.6 in 1 day.